Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today we're going to talk about how long does it take, Maurice, to hit my first $10,000 month. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm so glad you joined me today. I'm going to lay out some things that are going to help you guys to make $10,000 a month and just give you some perspective of how long it takes, okay? Social media marketing has been very, very, very good to me. You guys know I have been, religiously hitting anywhere from 25 to 30, sometimes $40,000 a month. I'm on my way to making $50,000 a month. And as I look back over my tenure of doing SMMA, going from working a $10 an hour warehouse job to eclipsing $100,000 my first year of doing it, I was just thinking, man, how long did it really take? How long does it take? People always ask me, Maurice, I've been doing this for 3 days and I still haven't had my first client. I still haven't, hit 3,000 or two. I'm just struggling right now. Ladies and gentlemen, relax, okay? Write that down. Relax, okay? Success takes time, okay? You're okay. You're headed in the right direction. If you're making calls, okay, and people aren't showing up, all right, they're telling you no, you're doing a good job. Thumbs up. You're doing the activity that's required to be successful, because here's the truth of the matter, gang. Most people never get in the trenches. They never get in the boxing ring and put on the gloves and get beat up because they don't want to be hit. They put up their hand, they start blocking. And as soon as they get hit, they start running in the other direction, okay? And I'm here to tell you, gang, stay in the ring, okay? And let me tell you why. When I was getting my tail beat, okay, working a $10 an hour warehouse job, loading up cylinders in the truck, working at night in the cold, sleeping during the day while the sun was out, and missing out on a lot of things because I had to work that graveyard shift because I had bills I needed to pay or I would be out on the street. So I had, and I know a lot of you guys have, to work that 9 to 5 because I had to work that 9 to 5. So anyway, as I thought about that, as I was getting beat up, and then as I made that transition, okay, see, I was willing to pay the price. A lot of you guys aren't willing to pay the price because as soon as you face opposition, gang, most of you guys retreat in the other direction. And then what I want you to do, if you truly want to make $10,000 a month, okay, I want you to head in the uncomfortable zone. Okay, write that down. Okay, in fact, put that in the comment section. Maurice, I'm headed to the uncomfortable zone. Okay, I want you to get uncomfortable. The more uncomfortable you get, gang, the faster, okay, you're going to get to $10,000 a month. Typically, okay, if you guys follow the recipe, okay, there's a recipe to make $10,000 a month in SMMA, and most of you guys refuse, okay, to purchase, to apply the recipe, okay? But if you follow my proven step-by-step recipe, if you're serious on making $10,000 a month, it typically takes anywhere from 30 to 90 days, okay, of sweat equity, okay? You have to pay your dues, gang, typically. And most people don't survive SMMA longer than a week. And then they quit, okay, because they're getting their tails beat, okay? People are hanging up. Business owners aren't showing up. They're not closing deals. They're not getting the client's results. Ladies and gentlemen, we get paid to solve problems. Write that down. The more or the bigger the problem you solve, the more dinero you are going to make, okay? Keep this stuff in mind, gang. So it typically takes approximately 30 to 90 days, okay, of blood, sweat, and tears to get to that elusive $10,000 a month, okay? Now, all you really need, gang, okay, is 5 clients, okay? paying you $2,000. Okay, you guys see that? Per month. Okay, that's $10,000. Okay, $10,000 a month. All right. So what do you need to do? What is the mindset? The first thing you need to do is get the blueprint. Okay, get the recipe. Click the link in the description. All right. I literally go from scratch showing you guys how to set up an agency, how I got 3 clients in 7 days, how to close, how to do onboarding, how to process the credit card. It's all in the recipe. Click the link in the description. If you can't afford the recipe, then you can go through my channel and look at some of the stuff that I've done, the 30-day challenges and things of that nature. But ladies and gentlemen, stop trying to cheat your way to success. You got to pay. One of the things, okay, if you guys say, Maurice, what was that tipping point that really helped you as a newbie, as a person that was making $10 an hour? Ladies and gentlemen, the shortcut that I took was purchasing that course years ago because someone had already figured it out. Okay, I wasn't finna try to figure this stuff out on my own. He had laid out a blueprint and I followed the blueprint. And I got beat up while I was following the blueprint, but luckily I stayed the course. Okay, I stayed on track. I continued to take those blows that most of you guys just won't take. See, a lot of you guys are afraid of rejection. I embrace rejection. Rejection allowed me to make hundreds of thousands of dollars. Okay, and if you're not willing to take rejection, ladies and gentlemen, you can hang it up. You'll be working a job the rest of your life. because ladies and gentlemen, we're in sales, okay? And in sales, you get rejection. It's a part of the game. When you play basketball, you get fouled, okay? When you play football, you get tackled. And to think that you won't get tackled is naive. And I don't want you guys to be naive, gang. You know, on this channel, we spit the truth. So if you truly really want to get to $10,000 a month, invest not only with your time, but your money, because it's going to allow you to move faster. And even as I'm talking to you guys right now, had I not purchased that course, it might have took me 5 years to make $100,000 versus 1 year. Okay, and that's what you guys are essentially trading right now. A lot of you guys say, I don't want to buy nobody's course. I can't afford it. I can't do this. And you're costing yourself valuable time. You guys are supposed to been hit $10,000 a month 2, 3, 4, 5 years ago, okay? As long as my channel has been in existence, you guys should have been hit 10 G's a month because, ladies and gentlemen, all you got to do is pick up the phone, okay, and set aside 1 or 2 hours a day, and you're on your way to 10 G's a month. Then you can do all this other funnel stuff and all the other looms and zooms and cold emails and pipelines and all the stuff that these guys are pushing, okay, which is fine because they're trying to help you. I get it. But cold calling is the fastest way to get to $10,000 a month, hands down. Okay, hands down. I can jump on the phone right now and put a prospect through my funnel. In other words, through my video training, call him back in 10 minutes and literally get his credit card information, and I got my first client like that. That's how fast cold calling works. Okay, you can even do a one-call close. I got students that do one-call closes. I do one-call closes. Okay, meaning that you talk to a prospect, you get them revved up, you get them excited, and he's just ready to go, and he's giving you the credit card information, and you're turning his leads on, and you're generating them calls right away. It doesn't take all this hyperbole that most of you guys think it takes. You guys just got to be willing to pay the price and to grow and to get better and to increase your skills. So getting back to what I was saying, gang, it typically takes, how long does it take to get to $10,000 per month, gang? It takes anywhere from 30 to 90 days, okay? And if you want to get there quicker, like I said, purchase, grab the recipe. so that you don't have to go through the blood, sweat, and tears 98% of the people are going through because they're not willing to invest in themselves. When you purchase a course, when you hire a coach, you're investing in yourself. And a lot of you guys don't want to invest anything into your personal education. And guess what? You're selling yourself a false dream. You can kiss $10,000 a month goodbye. You'll never make it if you're not willing to invest in Mind University, because a mind truly is a terrible thing to waste. And so many people on the internet are wasting their mind because all they're doing is just watching videos, perusing Instagram and Facebook, and they're broke. Okay? That's what broke people do. You're just a consumer. Okay? You want to not only be a consumer of social media, you want to generate income. You want to be a product. You want to make revenue from social media. Okay? And so, gang, I hope this video has been of immense value to you. You have to apply yourself, invest in yourself, get the recipe, and you too can hit $10,000 a month. Okay? If you guys like this video, make sure you comment below. Let me know what you guys thought. Hit the thumbs up. Helps with the algorithm. You're not a subscriber, subscribe. Uncle Maurice puts out fire like this for you guys on regular to help you get to the next level. If you haven't done so already, grab the recipe, grab the ICP course. It'll show you guys what you need to do to hit $10,000 a month almost instantaneously. Okay, I give you everything you need. How to get outsourcers and how to close the sale, how to do the onboarding. You watch everything live. You just look over my shoulder and follow along and start to make money. See you guys on the next one. Bye for now.